Alright, a hypothesis is an educated guess, and by watching this game, the team in white, Kentucky, has been in control the entire game, so I would predict that they're going to win this game.
Acceleration is the increase of velocity. Mitchell will drive by now. His velocity is increasing, which causes acceleration. Velocity is displacement over a certain period of time.
Alright, hang time is how long an object stays in the air when I throw this basketball. That was its hang time. Acceleration due to gravity is when gravity pulls an object down. The unit is meters per second squared, and it's 9.8. So there it is. Alright, potential energy is the energy of a body or system with respect to the position. You usually get potential energy with height, so by holding that ball up there, it gives it height and it has potential energy. And when you let go of it, it would turn to kinetic energy. And kinetic energy is the energy of a body or system with respect to the motion of it. So when he lets this go, it goes into motion and turns into kinetic energy. Right there.
Friction is the resistance that one surface or object encounters when moving over another.
When you roll a ball across the grass shows resistance and eventually slows down and stops the ball. If there was no friction, the ball would keep on rolling and never stop. Elastic collision is when an object hits something else and bounces back. In this case, he's going to throw the basketball against the wall and it's going to bounce back. Bounces back because that's an elastic collision.
Work is force times distance. When I lift this weight up, I'll be exerting a force on it.
Inertia is an object's resistance to change in motion. Usually an object that weighs more has more inertia, so a heavier object that is in motion is going to take a greater force to stop it. And an object that is stopped, it's going to take a greater force to get that moving. So as you see when I roll this basketball, just like that, doesn't really have much inertia, but this weight, try and roll it, and kind of have to give it a push to get it moving. Center of gravity is the point where an object can bounce equal like this. As you can see, when there's more weight on one end, it doesn't always bounce in the middle of the stick. It's bouncing right here. Also, an object rotates around its center of gravity, so when you throw this up in the air, rotate around its center of gravity.